Karen Smith, Bright Spark Electrical Services. I'm going to show you a major fire we've been out to this week. We're just putting the quotations together now for rectification. This burnt out the main service head and affected a lot of the electrics around the property. I don't think you'd want to be living there. All the inhabitants from that building had to move out. The place was dark, smoky, and it stank. Take electricity seriously. It can cause fires. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the YouTube channel.